We're live on television, we're live on Football 360. It's live every Sunday evening from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I must apologize, 9:30 to 10:30 for the next 7 weeks because of some interruption in programming. But quickly, we'll be talking about the uncertainty surrounding the appointment of Nutifafa Attah as Chief Executive Officer of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Last weekend, we were talking a lot about the probability that he will be appointed as the new Chief Executive of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That seemed not to happen. Whether it's going to happen or not, we'll be discussing that on the show tonight. We'll also be talking about the Black Stars' upcoming friendly against Canada. There's been talk about the fact that the ministry says they're unaware of that particular friendly game. They were not informed by the FA. Again, the tussle between the FA and the ministry continues. Then we also will talk about football around the world in terms of qualifiers for Euro 2016, the appointment of Jurgen Klopp as the new coach of Liverpool. We're talking a lot more about that right here on your Football 360. We'll also be talking to a football administrator who has just been elected onto the executive committee of the FA. We'll talk about what his plans are and what will be new. Remember, we've been discussing that on the show in the last couple of weeks. What new things will the new people bring onto the executive committee of the Football Association? What will be the direction of our football for the next couple of years? It's important that we know that. So we'll go for a quick break. When we do come back, we focus the discussions right here on your Football 360. Well, live for back here on Football 360. Kindly proud to be associated with DSTV Super Sports, your world of champions, sportsextra.com.gh, and we're also sponsored by Fan Yogurt as they are refreshing us right here on your Football 360. I've been joined in the studio by Nana Agyemang, the football analyst and football expert, and also Henry Asante, also of Star FM. Guys, you're welcome to the show.
He's also a football expert.
He's also a football expert.
Yes,
okay.
Good evening to you.
Good evening. You're welcome to the show.
It's always good to be here.
Yeah, always a pleasure to have you guys.
And today,
we've got yogurt. We've got to say thank you to them. They're doing quite good for the show.
Well, I'm going to say thank you to you. It's the first time I've been offered a drink in so many years.
That's not fair.
by kind
Fan Yogurt.
Fan Yogurt.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, quickly, Harry, you do it every day. You probably tomorrow morning will have to be on the airwaves trying to break a story or probably put a story out there in terms of what happens in football, and specifically, let's talk Kotoko. Somewhere last week, it was pretty much in a rumor mill. Sometimes it's almost true to know that definitely it's going to happen. As Nutifafa is going to be appointed as Chief Executive Officer of Kumasi